Student, one question having this question JE Advanced asked the question. This type question JE Advanced asked the questions. Good question having कि AI is the area bounded by mod x minus AI plus mod y is equal to BI is equal to having BI. Okay. I belongs to natural number where AI plus 1 is equal to AI plus 3 by 2 BI and BI plus 1 is equal to BI by 2. A1 given, B1 given, A1 and B1 given. 4 options given. You find the value A3 and this 4 options. So first this type question, you draw the graphs. Without graph this type question not possible. You solve. How to solve this type question? Your graph mainly having x minus ai mod plus mod y is equal to bi. So I is equal to first 0 puts because a 0 given, but b 0 not given. First find b 0. So how to find? Understand why? I start this place. So I is equal to 0 put this place. So A1 is equal to A0 plus 3 by 2 B0. Yes or no? Now this also given. BI plus 1 is equal to BI by 2. So I is equal to 0 value put. So B1 is equal to B0 by 2. B1 what given? Okay. So what? So B0 is equal to what? 32 into 2 means 64 havings. Okay. Now start. This place A is equal to I is equal to start to what put? I is equal to 0 puts. So what come? X minus A0 mod plus mod y is equal to B0. Okay. Otherwise, I is equal to 1 value put. X minus A1 plus mod y is equal to B1. The A1 what given? 0. The mod x plus mod y is equal to what? 32. This graph what? This graph already no graph. So this idea having 32. So this mod graph having this. This is 32. Now I is equal to 2 value put. The 2 value put what? X minus A2 plus y mod is equal to B2. Now A2 B2 to find na. A2 means this place start. Understand boy? Properly understand. This place start. The I is equal to what value put? 2. The A2 is equal to A1 plus 3 by 2 B1. B1 I is equal to 2. I is equal to 1 value put. Sorry. I is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 2. The A2 is equal to A1 what? 0 plus 3 by 2. B1 what? 32. This cancel. What cancel? 16. The A2 is equal to what? 48 comes. Okay. Ab I is equal to 1 value put this place. The B2 is equal to what? B1 by 2. B1 32 by 2 16. Now again start this equation. So what? X minus 48 mod plus mod y is equal to what? 60. So this graph, this go this way, check one time, sir. This graph, this place having 64. Next graph, this type graph, this all graph a square face having. This is a square. All graph a square face having. All graph a square. Up to understand? Yes or no? all graph a square face. Now अब square face having तो this what having b तो what area is equal to ai is equal to what half into 2bi into 2bi 2 cancel तो 2bi whole square. Yes or no? तो ai is equal to 2bi square. This must be remembered. After some time I use this points. Now bi already find. Bi what value find? Your question find a3. So I is equal to 3 put what 2b3 square. The b3 find. First b3 find. The b3 where find? This place. I is equal to what put 2. I is equal to 2 put. The b3 is equal to b2 by 2. b2 already find 16. This cancel 8. The b2 is equal to 8. b3 is equal to 8. 8 value put. So 2 into 8 square. 8 square 64. 64 into 2 128. So one answer to this answer confirm having. One answer a3 is equal to 128. One answer complete comes. Now second question. Multiple I don't know. Second condition also check. Second condition. This is not option having. So only a answer. This comes. Now these two options given. These two options checks. Understand? Cannot understand? Okay. Now second option checks. Okay. Second option I start this place. I start this place. Second having what having some limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. I is equal to 1 summation n. I is equal to n ai. Means this value find. Ai value find. So ai I is equal to 1 value put to what come? Ai. I is equal to 1 to 2. Understand boy? 2b1 square. Next 2b2 square. Next 2b3 square. So one sequence coming. I see gp sequence. Check one time. gp check. So this value having this summation r is equal to 0 to infinity. ri is equal to 1 by 1 minus r. This value having 2 into 32 power 2. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 LCM, 4 minus 1, 3, go this side. The 8 into 32 whole square by 3. The answer this having. Where? 8 by 3, 32 power square. This answer. So this concept remembers. Easy question having, but good question having. Okay. I hope you understand. Not understand, inform me. Again I explain. Okay. Thank you, sir.